What is a basic definition of love? An intense, deep affection for another person is the definition of love. As well as loving someone, it also means feeling an intense affection for them. In addition to being a strong liking for something or to be a big fan of something, love can also refer to fondness. Besides its meaning as a verb, love has a number of other meanings as a noun and as a verb. Love is one of those things that is difficult to explain. There is no doubt that love is one of the most intense emotions a human can experience in life. Another extremely intense emotion that is the opposite of love is hate. It is usually when you feel love for someone that you would do anything for them, that it is when you would do anything for them. It is important to acknowledge that there are many kinds of deep affections you can have for another person, and they can all be described as love. If you love your parents, the love that you feel for them will not be the same love that you feel for a close friend or a romantic partner. A strong bond can also be formed between you and an animal, such as a dog, if you have a strong bond with it. Love is the same thing as that too.